Narration: The Central Assembly bombing, Delhi 1929. In the year 1929, the British government introduced two new laws in India, the Public Safety Bill and the Trade Disputes Bill. These laws were designed to suppress the voices of Indians, especially workers and leaders who fought for freedom. Many people believed that these bills were unfair and were meant to strengthen British control over India. At this time, the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, a revolutionary group fighting against British rule, decided to oppose these laws in a bold way. Among them were two young revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. They believed that Indians needed to wake up and understand how the British were slowly taking away their rights. Bhagat Singh and Dutt planned a protest that would grab the attention of both India and the world, but without harming anyone. Their intention was not to kill, but to make a loud statement. They decided to throw low-intensity, harmless bombs inside the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. These bombs would create sound and smoke, but not cause any deaths. On 8 April 1929, the assembly was in session. The speaker and the members were discussing the new bills. Bhagat Singh and Dutt quietly took their places in the visitors' gallery. As the discussion continued, they threw the bombs into the hall. The explosion created noise and smoke, causing confusion and panic, but no one was injured. Along with the bombs, they scattered leaflets explaining why they were protesting and declaring their famous slogan, Inquilab Jindabad, which means long live the revolution. Instead of escaping, Bhagat Singh and Dutt chose to stay where they were. They calmly surrendered to the police because their aim was not violence, but to send a message. Their arrest itself was meant to draw attention to the injustice of the British laws. In the trial that followed, both revolutionaries explained that their act was a form of protest, an attempt to make the deaf hear. They emphasized that they had used bombs designed not to kill, but to awaken the Indian people. The British government sentenced them to transportation for life for the bombing. Later, Bhagat Singh was tried again in the Lahore conspiracy case, which resulted in his execution in 1931. Although the Central Assembly bombing did not physically harm anyone, it had a huge impact on India's freedom struggle. It made Bhagat Singh and Dutt symbols of courage and sacrifice.